If you're setting up for precise leveling, the right support makes all the difference. In today's video, we've picked the top 5 best tripod for Dewalt laser level to keep your measurements steady, accurate, and hassle-free. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Firecore 12 feet. The Firecore 12 feet adjustable telescoping pole is an exceptional tool designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who require flexible and precise laser level mounting. This pole extends smoothly between floor and ceiling, offering up to 12.14 feet of height adjustment through its 4 telescopic rods plus a tail rod. The bright yellow color with black graduations in inches and centimeters ensures easy and accurate measurement at a glance. One of the standout features is the multi-function mounting bracket, which supports both 1/4 20 and 5/8 11 threads, making it compatible with most line and rotary lasers. The bracket includes a fine-tuning knob, allowing height adjustments within 7 centimeters and depth adjustments within 5 centimeters, which enhances positioning accuracy on any job site. Stability is a priority with the Firecore pole, featuring a strong tripod base made from durable aluminum, plastic joints, and ribbed rubber feet to prevent slipping on various surfaces. The 2-section legs have adjustable buckles, while a screw clamp stabilizes the pole firmly. A built-in bubble level adds to the precision by ensuring the pole remains perfectly plumb. Additionally, the spring-loaded base guarantees quick setup and solid compression fit between floor and ceiling or beams. Non-slip foot and head plates provide a larger surface area to improve grip and stability. Foot pedals make height and tension adjustments effortless, allowing quick repositioning when needed. The Firecore 12 feet pole is a reliable, sturdy, and versatile choice for anyone working with laser levels, offering excellent accuracy and ease of use for a wide range of construction and remodeling tasks.
Number 2. HUPAR 12 feet. The HUPAR 12 feet adjustable telescoping pole is built for durability and versatility, designed to meet the demands of contractors and serious hobbyists who use laser tools on varying job sites. With a maximum extension of 12.14 feet, the pole consists of 4 telescopic rods plus a tail rod, allowing easy adjustment from floor to ceiling. The pole is brightly colored in yellow with clear black markings in inches and centimeters, providing fast and accurate height readings. This product includes a multifunction mounting bracket compatible with most line and rotary lasers, thanks to its 1/4 20 and 5/8 11 threaded adapters. The bracket's design allows height fine-tuning up to 7 centimeters and depth adjustment up to 5 centimeters, which is perfect for precise laser positioning. Its tripod base is crafted from lightweight aluminum and reinforced plastic, offering great stability on different surfaces thanks to the ribbed rubber feet. The legs feature 2-section height adjustment buckles for adaptability on uneven terrain, while the screw clamp keeps the pole locked firmly in place. An embedded bubble level on the head of the tripod helps maintain alignment accuracy. The spring-loaded base makes setting up quick and easy by securely compressing between surfaces such as ceilings or beams. Non-slip foot and head plates provide extra grip to prevent shifting or wobbling during use. HUPAR's foot pedals simplify operation, making height and tension adjustments smooth and efficient. Overall, the HUPAR 12 feet telescoping pole delivers excellent precision, solid build quality, and user-friendly features, making it a top contender for anyone needing a reliable laser-level tripod system.
Number 3. Dewalt DW0737. The Dewalt DW0737 tripod is specifically designed for use with laser levels, boasting a durable aluminum construction that balances strength and lightweight portability. It features industry-standard 5/8 11 mounting threads with a flat head design, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of laser levels, including the Dewalt brand's own tools. The tripod's legs have a quick release mechanism, allowing for fast and effortless setup and breakdown, which is perfect for professionals who need to move quickly between job locations. The maximum height of the tripod extends to 60 inches, while it folds down to a compact 38 inches for easy transportation and storage. Stability on uneven ground is assured thanks to its pointed steel feet, which provide a firm grip on a variety of terrain types. The tripod also includes a built-in strap for convenient carrying, adding to its portability for tradespeople and contractors who are frequently on the go. While this model doesn't feature a built-in bubble level, its sturdy and reliable design ensures your laser tool remains steady for accurate measurements.
Number 4. Fenorgan 13.8 feet. The Fenorgan 13.8 feet adjustable telescoping pole offers exceptional versatility for laser-level users who require extended height and precise control. With 6 telescoping rods and an additional tail rod, this pole extends up to an impressive 13.78 feet, making it ideal for high ceiling jobs and large-scale projects. The bright yellow finish is marked with clear measurements in both inches and centimeters, allowing for quick height checks during setup. The multifunctional laser level bracket is fully adjustable vertically and horizontally with 360-degree horizontal rotation for enhanced positioning flexibility. It supports both 1/4 inch 20 and 5/8 11 mounting threads compatible with most lasers. A fine-tuning knob provides smooth height adjustments, while the upgraded aluminum connectors resist rust and wear for long-term durability. For uneven ground, Fenorgan includes a tripod base made of aluminum alloy and plastic, with height-adjustable legs from 0.45 to 1.2 meters, ensuring stable setups on all terrains. A screw clamp stabilizer on the head prevents any shift during use. The built-in bubble level further guarantees precision by helping keep the pole perfectly vertical. The spring-loaded base provides easy tension setup with a non-slip foot floor and enhanced force area at both ends for a secure fit. Sturdy foot pedals help with quick operation.
Number 5. Asobier 360-degree laser tripod. The Asobier 360-degree laser tripod stands out as a high-tech accessory that combines innovative laser level features with a stable mounting solution. This laser-level tripod supports a 360-degree cross-line laser capable of projecting 5 laser lines horizontally and vertically, covering a full 360-degree rotation horizontally and 120 degrees vertically, suitable for complex and detailed tasks like shelf installation, woodworking, and wallpapering. The green laser beam is notably brighter than typical red lasers, offering up to 82 feet of working range and a high accuracy of plus or minus 0.03 inches at 23 feet. The tripod's brightness is adjustable through 3 settings to suit different lighting conditions, while its IP54 rating ensures resistance to water and dust. The built-in smart pendulum system enables automatic self-leveling within plus or minus 3 degrees and provides alerts when out of level, with manual and pulse modes adding extra versatility. Though the tripod's main focus is the laser tool itself, the Asobier tripod is perfect for users who want an all-in-one laser leveling tool with advanced features combined with a dependable mounting solution, making it ideal for both professional contractors and home users tackling detailed alignment projects.